Yup, it's your boy Jizo back with another video, and today, one more time for you haters, man. And today, look, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Again, that's like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. Please and thank you very much, guys. Please and thank you very much, guys. Again, if you want to work with me, you want to sponsor a video, you want to sponsor my live videos, I'm gonna put the email like right here. Put the email right here. Okay, there you go. Message me at that email, and we can work out something. You know what I mean? We'll work out some good business. You know what I mean? Something that makes sense for both of us. But let's get into this video today. What we have a package, man. Got a package in. You know what I mean? Got a package in. What is it? I'm assuming it's another pair of kicks. I don't know which ones they are, so let's see. Again, I get packages a lot, you know what I mean? So since I get a lot of packages, pause, that was crazy. Pause. You know what I mean? I don't be knowing which ones. I just open them. You know what I mean? That's all. I just open them and figure it out. You know what I mean? So let's see. It's a hole in here. See if I can get it open, man. All right, hold on. I got my knife. Let's open it. Okay. Okay, now. Now they wrap this. This is how it should come packaged, like, so no damage to anything, guys. No damage. This came UPS. I think UPS sent this. So there you go. Came through UPS, guys. So boom. All right. Let's see. Yeah, so it's a box over a box. So now we gotta get this box open. So we got that out the way. Booyah! Now we got one more package. One more wrap. Okay. Get that. Okay, so I think I know what these are. These are from goodkicks.ru. Again, that's goodkicks.ru. It'll be right here in the description. Right here in the description. Okay, guys? Right here in the description. Again, what is it? Good Kicks. I said in the description. It definitely will be in the description, but it'll be right here. Goodkicks.ru. Oh, didn't show you guys. See what that box got? A little crease in it. Got a little crease in it, even with the protection. All that protection. But it says Balenciaga. That's what it says. And I don't want to hear none of your opinions about what Balenciaga this and Balenciaga that. I don't, like, it is what it is, man. Okay. What comes in it? Balenciaga bag. Comes with it, drawstring bag. Now this is something you can use every day. Nice material. Oh yeah, that's something you can use every day. Little Balenciaga stuff right here. This should have been on the side of the box. Might have came off, I don't know. Whatever this is, I don't even feel like reading it. Okay. I don't know what size this is, but hopefully they send me the... Woo! Look at these things, man. Hopefully they're the right size. Look at these things, guys. Do y'all see them? Can y'all see them? You know what I mean? You can see them. I can see them. Smells like new shoes. Has that new smell. Oh man, they look nice. Hold on, let's set it to the side real quick. Now, I will say there's no extra shoestring, or let me read this thing right here, because normally it's like a note or something there. No, that's something they can work on. That's something they work on. But other than that, look at these. Look at these things right here, man. Other than that, look at these. These look nice. Everything looks nice about them. Balenciaga, Balenciaga, Balenciaga. Again, I don't have a promo code for them because of this factor. They're doing a Halloween sale. So if they're doing a Halloween sale, there's no need for my promo code. I'm gonna put the Halloween picture like right here. I'm gonna put it right here. So those are the sales that they have. Those codes, you get those. I'm gonna also put it in the description for you guys as well. But wow. Oh, the bottom of the shoe. Let's take a look at the bottom of the shoe. Bottom of the shoe is nice, okay? Bottom of the shoe is nice. So let me... These are what they say they are. And like, just the quality of shoe is great. Yeah, the quality of shoe is crazy, guys. So now, hopefully this is my size, because on the initial box doesn't look like it's my size, to be honest with you. But we'll test it out, man. You know, everybody got the sizes down differently, so I'm about to put it on and see if it's my size. They definitely fit. So let me show you guys how they look. Give me 2 seconds, man. All right, so this is how they look on my feet, guys. This is how they look on the feet. This is how they looking on the feet, man. You know what I mean? What they looking like. Nice pair of shoes. Shouts out to B-Kicks, man. For getting your boy right, man. Sheesh. That's the back. That's the back. That's the back. So we about to go back inside though, and I'm gonna show you basically the rest of the shoe and how it looks. You know what I mean? So there you go. Want that view? Get this view. Alright, yes indeed, guys. So okay, y'all seen how it looked on the feet. So now let's see. So here's the tag right there. See the tag? And the inside of the shoe. The tongue. Let's go to the tongue. You see the tongue? Because I know everybody wants to see all of this stuff. You know what I mean? That's the tongue. The inside of the shoe. That's the inside of the shoe. The bottom of the shoe. Again, nice. They fit me. They fit me very well. I thought maybe they sent the wrong size, because a lot of shoes in a 13 is they're 47, but it depends on where you're at. So 46, 47, and sometimes 48 in different countries, guys. So I don't really know, but these are something I wear. Can you? A little bit, guys. You know what I mean? These are great. These are definitely great. So, I think they're good to go. You know what I mean? Like, these are good to go. I give them a solid 8, yeah, a 0.5. Nah, I mean, these are good. I'll take that back. These are good. These are good. I mean, the build quality of these are great. You can tell that, you know what I mean? You can tell, man. You can tell these are great shoes. They're just a custom pair of shoes. That's all, guys. So, basically a custom pair of Balenciagas for a great price, guys. Wow. Yeah, they have these, though. They have these. They definitely have them. But it is what it is. So, basically, I would get these. If I'm you, I'm buying these. If I'm you, I'm shopping with these guys. Like, there's no doubt in my mind I'm shopping with these people, man. I'm definitely shopping with these people. Again, Good Kicks. Remember that, man. Goodkicks.ru, guys. They got some good stuff there. I'm gonna see what they talking about. Maybe we get another pair of something there, man. Cause these are nice. Yeah, these are nice. I actually want the slides, the Crocs. So maybe I'll get the Crocs, the Balenciaga Crocs, man. From these guys if they have them. Shouts out to goodkicks.ru, man. Again, that's goodkicks.ru. They're having a Halloween special. They're having just go to their website. You'll see what they're offering. They have great prices as well, guys. Like, you can't beat their prices. You definitely can't beat their prices, man. This is amazing, guys. Might be one of my favorite. The bag is good too. Like this bag, this bag is a nice quality bag. I love it. I like it. Yeah, I like it. I was about to tell y'all what I was gonna do with it, but never mind. You'll see one day. Other than that, it's nothing really in the box, but I guess it doesn't really matter. You know what I mean? It's just missing the thank you card and the extra pair of shoestrings, but other than that, look at that, man. We good to go, man. Shouts out to bkicks.ru. I'm telling you guys. One of the best shoes in the world, guys. Peace.